Hi everyone, welcome back to Jaylian.co.uk. We've got this month's Geek Gear Wizardry box, so we'll check what's in there. Okay, first out, as usual, we've got the t-shirt. Wolfsbane, that's pretty cool. Then we've got this, let's see what's in here. That's cool, there's pretty good weight to it as well. Whoops. Oh, it's just part of the stand. We've got, I'll take that back off. A prophecy orb, that's really nice, it's got a decent weight to it. Okay, then we've got the pin, which is the flying car, the Weasley's car. Then we've got a nice little purple box. And inside here we have like tarot cards. They're pretty cool. Then we've got, looks like some coasters. Let's have a look at those. Some round coasters. See the future. Broaden your minds. Use your inner eye. And Tea Club. They're pretty cool as well. And then finally, I think, yep, finally we've got a framed print. It's 10 by 8. Get out the packet. There we go. And it's Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, not Skull. And that's a Geek Gear licensed exclusive. So I think that that's it. Let's just check. Yep, that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and we'll see you next time. Thank you.